Hey guys, welcome back to Sanji's Kitchen, and if you're wondering why am I voiceover this time around for this intro, well, that's mostly because I did film an intro for this, but apparently a straight lamp decided I'm going to give the visual audience seizures, so we cannot use the intro for this. So yay, rare voiceover me. Ain't it fun? Ain't it grand? And I know what you're thinking, wait, there's a One Piece cafe? That's crazy! And you're right. It is crazy, but it's also the first ever U.S. cafe. You see, on May 11th, 2024, it officially opened in Las Vegas. I know, you kind of think, wait, why didn't it open in LA or Little Tokyo? Good questions. We're going to save those for later. But we actually were visiting Las Vegas for WrestleMania weekend, seeing some indie wrestling shows, so you're going to see myself, Rosen, and my father-in-law, John, who has already made a couple appearances on Sanji's Kitchen before, as we try some of the menu. But for now, let's look on the inside. It is small, yes, because it's vibing with a cafe, but it has so many tributes to One Piece, and having all of the current Straw Hat crew's skull logos. Like, I'm sorry, they were adorned on the tables, it was beautiful. I loved it. You had Luffy with the flag. You had all of the merch that they were selling on display, which I would have bought merch, but it was not in my price range at the moment. But future opportunities arise from that. And we had to go up and order, and we waited for our food about 10 to 15 minutes, but it got us time to explore a little bit more of the cafe, including some cool photo backdrops. Well, I would say to be cool photo backdrops, such as the "To Be Continued" sign, which, I'm sorry, that was amazing, but there were tables in front of it, so you can't really take a picture in front of that. But you also had all of the current Straw Hat crew, which, yes, I do know who all the Straw Hats are, even if I am, let's see, how far am I behind with the episodes right now? Yeah, I'm not still in Skype at the time of this little voiceover, so I don't know much, but I know all of the Straw Hats before this anyway, so, which is cool. But also, I did notice that there is a signature by Frankie, which is either the English dub or the Japanese voice actor. I can't remember at the time, but I thought that was pretty neat. And there we had standing tables, some booths, some tables, and nice little vibe. Even the staff were incredibly friendly, and they did see that I was filming some stuff, and they asked, what you're doing? What are you about? And Rosen told them about tracing the Grand Line. So if anybody from the One Piece Cafe is listening to this or watching this, hello, it was so nice to see you, and I'm sorry this took so long since we've been there since April. Yeah, but anyway, let us focus on what we're here for, is that we tried some of the menu. Not all of the menu, some of it. And the one dish that Rosen was really looking forward to, we thought was sold out. Turned out it was not sold out. Oh well, it happens. But more on that later. For now, let's dig in! Alright. How's the curry, John?
How would you rank it? It's like S is the highest, then A, B, C, D, F.
I give it an A.
Okay. And there's also, don't forget your straws for your drinks too. Alright.
Let me try the Jimmy drink first.
Pretty good?
I'm sorry you didn't get the strawberry drink.
What strawberry drink?
They had a strawberry punch, fruit punch.
Did they? Oh.
Surprised you didn't get that. But how would you rate it?
I also give this an A. Very good.
This is a standard Coke for it. This is not bad. Definitely an A. So first fry. Oh! They're double fried fries. Do you want to try one? That already gives me a win for that, so. Burger. I just realized part of the burger's falling falling out. Oh no.
That was.
Huh? I need another bite of it.
Hey, Mom. Who was that chicken you got? Oh, it's you.
Oh. That is a very, very good burger. I actually don't mind the 1,000 sauce on it too, so this is actually, I think it's nice. Like it's a Sanji Kitchen seal of approval.
I'm gonna try this Sea King Gorgonzola pasta.
Yeah.
No, that's really good.
What would you give it?
I also give it acids. It blends really well with everything.
Wonderful. I'm good. I'd rather eat my food here, so. Hey, I'm gonna sneak this in after we eat some of the main food before dessert, but we did learn a tidbit that it has been announced that there will be a One Piece cafe opening up in Little Tokyo some point this year. This announcement was made quite literally while we were in Vegas, so that was pretty cool to learn about. When will it open? We do not know. It'll open probably this year. We're gonna find out, but when it does, Rose and I will be attending the cafe and trying some of the foods that we were not able to try this the last time, along with learning that they have a lot more specialty drinks and foods they added since then. I literally looked on their Instagram and they added some new foods and drinks, and I'm so jealous. I really, really want to try them so badly, but I am not gonna go to Vegas anytime soon for the rest of this year. So yes, you will see more One Piece Cafe videos whenever the Little Tokyo location opens up. But you know what? Let's get on to dessert now. Alright, so you can see we're not in the cafe anymore because, like, we have our food, but we partake in a little bit of Chopper's hat. And if you wonder what's in this, please flash it on the screen real quick off to the side. Thank you very much. That's what's in it. It's gonna be delicious. And look how tiny it is. It's so cute. And this, I was afraid it was moving in the car. Like, it didn't. It did not topple over. I will say one thing neat. The packaging on the to-go boxes for the cakes has some of the most creative, like all of them have the most creative pieces. Like, look at this.
I just noticed Zoro is separate from everybody.
Oh my god, Zoro got lost again. Or, but that's still fun.
Let's see. I'm very tired and full.
Yeah, can you tell we had a fun time today? Oh, it's one of these.
Yep.
Yay! Oh, look at that. So tiny.
Keeping that, probably.
The box?
No,
Yeah.
the thing it's on. Was it like a coaster?
No, it's just a little gold cake display.
Fair enough, let's do it. You first.
No! No, it's hard. It's actually hard. It's a like chocolate shell. Oh my god, no! We should have kept it in the box. No.
Oh my god.
I can smell cotton candy from here. Oh my god. Alright, I'm trying to get as much as I can on the inside of this with the filling. Cheers.
I like overly sweet.
There's glitter in there.
I clean this countertop.
Yeah.
I give it an A just because it's way too sweet.
It's supposed to be like, it said strawberry. That tasted like cotton. Chopper's favorite thing, cotton candy.
Yeah, that's absolutely cotton candy flavor. It's super
Which is
strong.
like, you know what it almost reminds me of?
What?
Reminds me a bit of the cotton candy option that would have been for our wedding cake.
That's exactly what I'm tasting.
That's because you got buttercream. The cake is in the middle.
Okay, yeah. Now I'm tasting that.
The cake? Ooh. Okay.
Still sticking with an A because it's way, way, way too strong.
Here's the breakdown for this piece. I'm gonna try and show to the viewers at home. The cake is in the middle. The outsides are filled with the cotton candy buttercream. Here's the thing. The cake, nice and moist. It's so wonderful. It tastes like I tried a Sprinkles cupcake today, so it's moist like that. The cotton candy buttercream makes it extremely sweet, overpowering. As much as I love to give this an S here, this is gonna go an A, only because it's knocked down by the heavy cotton candy flavor. So overall, thank you guys so much for venturing us out from the kitchen to Pink's Cafe. And wait, this isn't my kitchen. Where are we?
Vegas. Here in Vegas. I'm very tired.
Yeah, we're gonna continue with our time in Vegas for our short break. As my husband is about to drown inside our sink, where we're staying.
How can I drown? There's no water in here.
In the meantime, you guys want some cake?